Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, as you can see, I got another package in the mail, and this one, like every other one, I'm pretty excited about. But one of the other things I'm excited about with this one is that it looks like I ordered it at the right time, because since I've ordered this, silver has gone up almost $1 an ounce in spot price. So as you know, if you're a stacker or a buyer, or a collector, spot price fluctuates all the time. And if you sit around waiting for a few cents here, a few cents there, it doesn't really benefit you too much. Your dollar cost averaging usually works out long term. But, $1 per ounce is quite a bit of money. It could have just as easily dropped $1 too. That's just the game we play. But I'm pretty happy that I got this one when I did. And it's a significant purchase. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look. Okay, we're going to try to cut it open over here from this side. Looks to be packaged up pretty darn well. Get a little cut on the corner here, that usually helps to get you started like that. Alright. Well, let's see, it's packaged very well. It's stuffed in there really good. I'll pull it out of there. Nice packaging there. Get this out of my way. And let's see what's in here. Here we go. Oh yeah, what do we have here? Turn this up a little bit. Get some more brightness on here. Yeah, a little too much. All right. So you know what this is? This is a tube of American Silver Eagles. Pick this up. We had a good time. I got these for under $20 a piece, which is kind of my magic number. Might not be for much longer with how much silver's gone up. But for now, this is a pretty good deal. I like getting them for under $400. So I believe these are 2019s. I picked this up from JM Bullion. JM Bullion had a sale over the weekend a few weeks ago. The funny thing is, I don't really mind waiting, but the funny thing is that when even if you do the ACH, the electronic check type thing, it takes them a long time to ship this stuff out and you get it in your possession. I don't know. Like I said, that's fine, but I really don't know why it needs to take that long. I think these guys need to, try to find some way to speed up their process, because I just don't really think you should wait almost 2 weeks to get something in the mail from one of the online bullion dealers. They should have processes in place to take a look. If your electronic check clears, I don't know why they still have to wait several days before they ship it out. So this was a deal for the 2019s. And we can take a look. I'm not going to look at all of them. I probably will later, but just to make sure they're all 2019s. But look at how gorgeous. This has got to be one of the most beautiful coins out there. I'm telling you, this thing is a treat to look at. Got my light bouncing off of it. Look at that. Brilliant uncirculated. That's one of the things I'll go through and just make sure there's no damage on them. So they're not supposed to be damaged. One of those other online bullion dealers will send you damaged ASEs pretty often. So yeah, pretty nice, huh? What a beautiful coin. So as many of you know that follow my channel, one of my goals this year is to get more American Silver Eagles. We've done very well in the Constitutional Silver. We now need to continue our American Silver Eagle collection. And someday, hopefully, have a monster box. I cannot tell you at this point where we're at in that goal because of the way we store our precious metals. But I just know that when there's a good deal, if we can, we're going to buy. So yeah, here's a tube of 20. So let me take a look. So when I bought these, silver was at $17.66 an ounce. $17.66, quite a bit higher than when I started buying a couple years ago when it was $13 and $14. But anyways, at $17.66. And then today, as I record this video, silver is at $18.58. So almost $1. We'll just call it around 90 cents, give or take a few cents. It's almost $1 higher. So means this tube now, in theory, would cost you $20 more. So let's go out to JM Bullion's website and let's see how much. Let's see if we can find some American Silver Eagles in BU condition. They have them listed as tubes. I probably have to. There we go. This is a 2019 tube. Ooh, this is even more. Boy, $432.40 for a tube. I paid under $400 for these. Wow. I didn't realize it'd be that much, so I could do the math in my head, but I'm too lazy. So $432.40. Right, is that what that was? Yep, you can see it right there. Divided by 20. Whew, $21.62 a piece. So if silver's at $18.58, wow, they went over $3 a piece for these. Over $3 above spot. That's pretty amazing. So you can see the timing is everything on this stuff. I paid just under $400 for the 2019 BU coins. And you can see here now a tube of them. It's over $432. Wow. Pretty incredible. But as you know, that's just the way the game is played. You buy low sometimes, you buy a little bit higher sometimes. I'm still a player for silver. I think $18 and some change is still a good price. Doesn't mean I won't alter my game a little bit and change up on a few things. If I can still get the constitutional silver at 10 times, I'll certainly be trying to get that. But I probably won't pick up any Eagles anytime soon. I really wanted to focus on getting some more tubes, and I kind of regret that I didn't pick more up in the past. But we're stackers, and we'll continue to stack. And of course, right now it's not a great time to buy gold either, because gold has really jumped up there as well. But we'll see what happens. I went to a coin show last week, picked up a pre-1933 quarter-ounce coin for melt. And again, that was before the big spike in gold, so we got that. That's already made us some money. So, I don't know, maybe pop in on a coin show, see what's going on. But you know, their prices are going to be higher. Even if they sell it melt, it's still going to be quite a bit higher than before. As you know, at the weekend, the rates get locked in at a certain price. And if it's high or higher, it's probably not a good time to buy. It's almost better to wait till Monday comes around. And that always does a drop, but sometimes on Monday, actually Sunday night, so when the market's open, on Sunday night, a lot of times the gold and silver drop when they open back up. Not always, but sometimes. So why don't you comment below and let me know what you're doing. Are you buying? Are you holding? Are you stacking? Or are you slacking? Are you not going to buy until the prices come back down? I think as a stacker, I will continue to buy. Maybe reallocate. Probably won't go after, the collectible stuff, even though that's a lot of times when the bullion type stuff goes up. Sometimes we will look over at the collector coins. Maybe pick up a few things over there. But I'm curious what you're going to do. Are you going to hold for a bit? Are you going to see what happens? Or are you going to keep stacking? Maybe go after some generic silver where you won't have to pay $3 each like you do the American Silver Eagles. I get specials in my email all the time with, generic for sure, 29 cents above spot, 49 cents above spot, 69 cents above spot. Somebody just had a pretty good deal here recently. Wasn't very much. It was under 50 cents for generic bars, I think it was. So it might be time to go after those, just to continue to buy something each week or each month. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what goes on. $18 and some change is really still a pretty good price. I think anything under 20 is a pretty good price for silver. As far as gold goes, I wanted to focus on some more gold this year, but that's seemingly going to be a little bit difficult too if that stuff keeps climbing. I'll tell you, it's really climbed up quite a bit lately. And I'd still like to continue to stack, so I'd really like to see that come back down for a while. But what do you think? Let me know. I appreciate you watching. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.